welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with a junk journal that I have made from a wallpaper cover. This was inspired by a video I saw from Terrace, which I will link her video down below. It's a wallpaper cover. I have machine stitched all the way around it. Popped some lace trim down here because that was sort of the style she'd done hers in, and it's all tied off with some sari silk ribbon. Now this was actually a journal that I made two of. I did one for my friend so that she could decorate hers up just for some recreation and relaxation time. So you will have seen me putting this together. I will try to link that video down below if you wanted to see, but I just thought I'd do a quick flip through. So this was the inside cover. I did a flip up there. Over the page, just some really nice printable, clipped on this little postcard digi-kit here, and a jam jar there. There's no theme to this, it is literally just pretty things, lots to write, lots to decorate, which is my favourite kind of journal. I popped a little journal card in there. This is an over the page idea. This was from Roxy Creations. You can actually flip it up. You could put plain paper on there if you wanted and write. You could write in between here or decorate it further. Going in here, we've just got a little tuck here. This is just a pocket I made and filled it with some pretty little new music paper tag and a butterfly journaling card. Another pocket here with some paper, and that's a really nice, it's from a kit. I can't remember which kit it is, but it's one I bought off Etsy. Music paper, can't remember who that was, can't remember. Made a belly band across here and then made this tag that I've just popped an eyelet in so you can write all over the front and the back of that tag. That just goes in there. Some lined paper that I've coffee dyed, popped a little whale tail tab on. This is some French book page I've got, really like that, and I really like these labels I've got with random numbers on. That's a sticker that I just popped over there just for decoration. You can write on that. This is from Angela Kerr. I love this printable. I use it all the time because it's pretty, it's neutral, but you can so write on it easily. This is the centre of this journal. I did just a butterfly printable. I really love how that looks. I like how the whole of the centre of this book looks. Going back then, the second half of the signature rose on the French book page. This is a G. Kerr printable that I bought. They're basically double-sided. You fold them over and glue, so it makes like a little page tab. This is for an idea from Creative Cafe. She just sews stitches onto coffee dyed paper. I've just popped it there as a sort of a header or just a way of decorating this page up. It's just a nice, really printable there. I love that. I thought the French of Maman et Bébé went quite well with the Magnifique Éphémère. Just a bit of a French theme, really. This is, it's either Odalcina Scrappan or it's Witchcraft You Do, can't remember. But they're like faux fabric samplers. But instead of fabric, I put paper in mine. So you could either rip these out and use them, or journal on these, journal on here, keep it hidden, anything you like. And that just tucks into there with a bit hanging over just to sort of hide that butterfly, so it's just peeping out. This is a sort of library pocket style that I've just made out of scrapbooking paper and just popped some other scrapbooking paper in there as a well, like a journaling card, but it's not so firm. It's more like, it's really nice, pretty paper. Some vintage music page, which I have popped the flap of an envelope, which you can put something under there if you wanted to hold something in, like a tuck. This is the other side of the envelope. You can obviously write all over that or decorate it, and that just flips out. You can then put your things in there if you want to hide things away. This is just a little tuck here that I've popped a little Tim Holtz mini clip and popped some different bits of ephemera in there. Obviously when that comes out, it folds out and you can write all under here. Going over the page, just a really nice printable I've got with lined paper you can write on, write all on the coffee dyed page. Just such a pretty page this is. I think it's Ruby and Pearl, but I can't be sure. And then this is actually from some wallpaper I've got, which I thought linked quite well with the wallpaper theme, and I just made that into a flip. Loads to write there if you want to. And that's the back cover. Again, you can finish off with some writing, whatever you made your journal about. You could summarise it, or you could just decorate it. So that is that journal. It will be listed. I will put the listing down below if I remember and can. But that is all I've got for today. I hope that you've enjoyed it, got some inspiration, and thank you very much for popping by. Bye-bye.